Welcome back! Today we're going to learn how to freeze columns and rows in Excel. So this is important for you to keep track of the rows and the column headings in your worksheet as you do your work, so you won't get lost in your data. Now let's try it. So now we open Microsoft Excel. So as you can see here, I have a lot of data values. And I can't seem to keep track of whose student got which grade, so I need to scroll tirelessly side by side, up and down to see my data. It's very difficult to navigate, as what you saw. So we can freeze the pane so that we can keep track of the subject area and also the name of the student. Now let's do that. Click View and then click Freeze Panes. Then we choose one of these. So if you want to keep the rows and columns in freeze mode, then click Freeze Panes. So if you only want the top row, then click Freeze Top Row. And then if you want to only freeze the first column, then just click Freeze First Column. So as you remember in our data, we won't use this one because our first column is all numbers, so it doesn't mean anything. So we just choose either one of these. So now let's try. So first, let's try using the freeze top row, since we have there the subject areas, which are very important, right? So now let's see its effect. So as you can see here, as we scroll down further and further, we still have this column headings, just like we wanted. So it's a good one. Now let's try choosing the freeze panes. So in freeze panes, we freeze both the rows and the columns. So I think this one is the most convenient for our data. So let's try it. So as you can see in here, we freeze the columns and also we freeze the rows, right? So no matter how far we scroll, we can still see the names and the subject area, which are the very important headings we need to keep track of. So now if you want to go back to the previous state of the data and we want to unfreeze it, the panes, then we click again to view and then we click freeze panes again and then just click unfreeze panes so that we can unfreeze them, and that's it. Well done! Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. See you in the next video.